Welcome to another exciting experiment whereby we are fixing our home gadgets using some of the cheapest methods to save our money. And today we're going to look at bicarbonate of soda, which we normally use for baking and for cooking. Right, we are comparing bicarbonate of soda using these other adhesive powders which we normally use with hot glue. But now we're putting aside all these other powders and we're going to use Q-Bond, which is hot glue found in different packages, and we call it hot glue, we call it Q-Bond, we call it super glue, whatever you can say. But the first thing, before you use it, you have to clean the surfaces, the damaged parts. For instance, I'm cleaning my spray gun here, which has been damaged. It fell off and it broke right on the neck, and I'm busy cleaning it so that I can bind it back again with the soda and Q-Bond or hot glue liquid. So now you use an abrasive from P120, 220. There's no need to use primer, plastic hot glue primers, but this time I'm going to put it straight as it is, and then I'll put the primer aside because I'm not using the adhesive powders. So I'll use soda instead of adhesive powders and primers, and then I use our normal hot glue or super glue. It's the same component, whether it's in a red package, it's a blue package or whatever. You can mention the type of packaging, but all these things are hot glues, so you must be careful because it bends. So I'll start by putting it on the crack, and then as my primer, and then I put my my soda there, and then I put again the liquid. It solidifies instantly and is hot. Just be cautious because if you are putting soda and in Q-Bond or hot glue, there's a chemical reaction which is happening, and there are some fumes which are irritating, which are a bit irritant in your eyes. It's irritating in the eye, so just be careful there. And then that's how I'm doing it. Just watch as I'm doing this spray gun. And also mind you that this soda has got a lot of functions which you can use it for. Indigestion, you've got bloatings. Just take half teaspoon of soda, put in the warm water, and then drink. You won't suffer bloating again. Or where there's heartburn, you're suffering from heartburn, it's a good guy for you to restore, to remove or to lower down your acid levels in your body. So soda has got a lot of functions. We are looking at times your blood has got too much acid and you are cancerous. You can use soda to lower down the pH, but it needs assistance of a qualified doctor as far as that is concerned when we come to cancer patients. But it really helps for those who are using it for indoor use to neutralize the alimentary canal. But now, coming back to our project which we are doing with soda, that's how we do it. You just make sure that you fill in the cracks with the powder, which is soda powder, and then you put hot glue there. Just put bit by bit, don't put too much because it spills over, and when it comes to contact with your skin, it burns your skin. So yeah, just be doing like that, and then our project is almost done. My gun has been repaired. Now I'm repairing my gun with soda. It saves you a lot of money. For instance, some have got some view mirrors for car parts which are broken. You can use soda. Hard plastics, it can work. Soft plastics, it can work. It can work. And then now that's when you are done, you just send it down again, send it down and then to the desired smoothness which you want. You can work on steel again. You see, it's so amazing. Now we're doing a test. We're putting thinners in the spray gun to test if it's not leaking. It's leaking. It's not leaking. It's not leaking. It's just perfect. It's a quite expensive spray gun, and I've saved myself a lot of money by repairing this thing with soda, and then it's ready to go and shoot. So I'm very much excited with my gun which has been restored once again. So there are a lot of gadgets which you can do with this thing, from car parts, from home things, a lot of things you can do it with soda. So that's on the move. We're now spraying. So If you're happy and you're interested in all these other things, subscribe for more information, and then you'll keep on receiving latest updates. Thank you. Bye.